In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a button on Google Sites. Whether you're creating a personal blog or a professional web page, adding a button can significantly enhance your site's functionality and user experience. Throughout this simple guide, I'll walk you step by step through the process of adding a button to your site, which can then be linked to any other page or external resource you choose. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Google Sites. This is where all the magic will happen. Google Sites is a convenient tool for creating web pages without needing to delve into any complex coding. Its user-friendly interface is perfect for beginners, and it provides all the necessary tools to design and publish a site effortlessly. Once there, make sure you are signed in with your Google account to access all the features. Next, locate the Insert tab on the right side of your screen. This is where you can find all the elements you can add to your page, such as text boxes, images, and the button option we'll use today. By clicking on the Insert tab, you open up a world of possibilities for enhancing your page. Feel free to explore a bit if you're new to Google Sites, but remember, our focus here is on adding buttons. Scroll down until you see the Button option. Click on it, and you'll see a dialog box appear. This is where you get to customize the button. Input the name you want for your button, something descriptive that tells your visitors exactly what clicking the button will do. This might be something like "Contact us," "Learn more," or whatever suits your purpose. Then enter the link to which you want your button to direct users. This could link to another page within your site, an external website, or even a document. Once you've input the necessary details, confirm your entries and close the dialog box. You'll see your new button appear on your page. You can drag and drop it to your desired location on the site, adjusting its size and positioning to fit your design. Take some time here to make sure it looks just right. The appearance of your button can significantly influence its effectiveness. And just like that, you're done. Congratulations, you've added a clickable button to your Google site. This button can now enhance your page's functionality, guiding visitors exactly where you want them to go. Don't forget to preview your site to make sure everything looks great and functions as intended. Once you're satisfied, you can publish your site. Remember, practice makes perfect, and you can always return to Google Sites to refine or add more elements to your pages. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your Google Sites journey.